Hi students, this is Kumar, your maths teacher, grade 8. Today, let us learn about the new chapter, data handling. Data, the information collected in term of numbers is called data. The information collected in term of numbers is called data. Data are represented graphically to have a quick glance on them. Data are represented graphically to have a quick glance on them. Next one is observation. Each numerical figure in the set of data is called an observation. Each numerical figure in the set of data is called an observation. The next one is raw data. Observation gathered initially are called raw data. Observations gathered initially are called raw data. The next one is array. Arranging numerical figures of a set of data in ascending or descending order is called an array. Arranging numerical figure of set of data in ascending or descending order is called an array. The next one is frequency. In a given data, the number of times particular observation occurs is called a frequency. In a given data, the number of times a particular observation occurs is called its frequency. A table showing the frequencies of various observations of the given data is called a frequency distribution table, or simply a frequency table. A table showing the frequencies of various observations of the given data is called a frequency distribution table, or simply a frequency table. When the number of observations is large, we make use of tally marks to count the frequencies. When the number of observations is large, we make use of tally marks to count the frequencies. Tallies are usually marked in the bunches of 5 to make counting easier. Tallies are usually marked in the bunches of 5 to make the counting easier. Next one is class intervals. When the list of observations is large, the data are organized into groups like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, then etc. These are called classes or class interval. These are called classes or class intervals. The data so organized is called group data. The data so organized is called group data, or a group frequency distribution, or a group frequency distribution. Data is plural of data. The lower value of a class interval is called its lower class limit. The lower value of class interval is called its lower class limit, and the upper value of class interval is called its upper class limit. So here 5 to 10, 10 to 15, these are intervals: 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So here 10, 15 and 20. So these are upper class limits. 5, 10, 15. So these are lower class limits. Note, marks 5 are included in the class interval 5 to 10. Marks 5 are included in the class interval is 5 to 10 and not 0 to 5. Not 0 to 5. Similarly, the marks 15 are counted in the class interval 15 to 20 and not 10 to 15, and so on. So the next one is class mark. The mid value of class interval is called its class mark. So the mid value of class interval is called its class mark. So class mark of class interval 5 to 10. So the class mark of class interval 5 to 10 is 5 plus 10 divided by 2. So 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5. So the next one is class frequency. Class frequency. So the frequency of a class interval is called its class frequency. The frequency of a class interval is called its class frequency. So the next one is range. The difference between the highest and lowest value of the observations in a set of data is called the range of data. The difference between the highest and lowest values of the observations in a set of data is called the range of data. So range is equal to difference means subtract highest value minus lowest value. Now see the example. If the highest marks in mathematics class 100 and lowest marks is 22. Highest marks in mathematics in class 100 and lowest marks in 22. So find the range. So range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So largest value minus smallest value. So largest value is 100, the smallest value is 22. 100 minus 22 is equal to 78. So therefore range is equal to 78. See the example of range. Find the range of the following data: 14, 6, 12, 17, 21, 10, 4 and 3. So first we have to write the question in ascending order. So ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. So the smallest number is 3, then 4, then 6, then next 10, 12, 14, 17 and 21. So in the given data, the highest value is 21. So highest value is 21. The smallest value is 3. So range, find the range of the following data. So range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So the highest value is 21 minus lowest value is 3. So 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. So therefore range is equal to 18.